How to update Doomsday Last Survivors manually. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're looking for a way to update your Doomsday Last Survivors game because you just want the latest version, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device, and in the search bar type in Doomsday Last Survivors and search. Once you find this application in the search result, look if there is an update button instead of play. Since I've previously updated the app, I'm not seeing the update button over here, but if you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of the game. If you see play instead of update, it means you are currently running the latest version already. So that's how you easily update to the latest version of Doomsday Last Survivors manually. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.